Hi, I'm Karen with CK Customs PA. I'm also an admin on the Facebook group Cricut Help Desk Unofficial. In this video, I'm going to show you how I use slice, weld, contour, and a little creativity to do some fancy work with my designs in Cricut Design Space. Let's go ahead and go into Cricut Design Space. Here on the canvas, I have a silhouette of cotton candy. And I've decided for my design, I want to make the stick one color and the cotton candy another. But as you can see here, this is one piece. There's no contour option because there's no divide between the cotton candy and the stick. So I get a little creative with my shapes to do some slicing, weld it back together, and use the contour. Let's go ahead and add a shape onto the screen. I'm going to go ahead and use a circle in this case because the bottom of my cotton candy, where I need to separate it, is a little bit rounded. So my goal here, again, is to separate the cotton candy from the stick, so in the end, I can cut it in two different color vinyls. To do this, you first need to do a slice to separate the two. I'm going to use my circle here and line it up over the cotton candy where I intend to slice it. Let's go ahead and bring it in a little bit so that it didn't hang off the edges of the cotton candy. And then just try to get it so that the edge where they connect is just touching. See that? All right, let's go ahead and try this and see if that's going to do it. So I'm going to highlight both pieces and I'm going to use slice. All right. So let's see if that was enough. I'm going to click on the cotton candy. I'm going to duplicate. So we have just the cotton candy piece. And it looks like there's still a connection here between where it cut the circle and the stick. So that means my circle was not low enough. Not a problem. It's trial and error as we're going through this. Let's hit the undo button all the way back to before the slice and move that down a hair. Alrighty, let's try it again. Again, selecting both parts, press slice. Let's grab our cotton candy piece and duplicate again. Now this time I can see I did have it lined up where there is separation. So what does this mean? It means we can now contour. Let's contour this piece to be just our stick. I'm going to press the contour button. And I'm going to remove what is left of the cotton candy. Close the contour window, and you'll see we have our stick. Now, on the original cotton candy, we need to do the opposite. We need to remove the stick. So let's press contour, remove the stick, close your contour window. You have your cotton candy left. Now it is made up of a few pieces because we had sliced it. So all you need to do is select all those parts, weld them back together, and you now have a piece of cotton candy and your stick. Any little remaining parts you can delete, or you can hit undo. I may not have grabbed those when I went to weld. So if I undo back to before my weld and make sure that I'm highlighting over that area, this time I can see it's included, and weld, it's now all back together. So again, cotton candy on top, stick on bottom, and I can change those to whatever colors they may need to be. I hope you found that little tutorial helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Happy crafting!